Welcome to our Excel training. We want to bring the month in which our representatives made the highest sales in a list we have in Microsoft Excel right across from it. We can use the XLOOKUP formula for this. It is a formula we use in Excel 365S, but first let's do it with the formula that is valid in all formulas, all Excels as index and match. We say equal. First of all, where do I need data? Look, I need data from months here. I fix this with F4. If you are using a laptop, you can press F and F4, comma or semicolon. Here in the formula software, look, I saw a semicolon because I saw a semicolon here. If you see a comma, write a comma, then I will bring the next one. Here we are using a match formula. Now my goal is to find the maximum value here. Where is the maximum value? Look, I'm saying find the maximum value in the range I selected. Semicolon. Where is this I'm saying find? When I close the parenthesis by writing a semicolon 0 in the range here, when I close the parenthesis of this match with a 0, I find this together with the index. When I pull this down, the other months automatically appear. Again, it is equal. First of all, the index. Where do we need data? Where are we looking for data? We are looking for data from those months. I'm fixing the formula because I'm going to pull it down. A dotted day. So what data do we need? For this, we use the match formula. So what will we look for at what time? First, we will look for the maximum value. The maximum value in this range. I wonder, look again, where is my rank in the range I chose? If we read the formula in reverse, first we find the maximum value here. Look at the maximum value here, 6,000. It comes straight to us as 7,094. Then we find out where it is from here. In this range I chose 1, 2, 3. 3 comes from here. Then in this B2, F2 range, the value 3 comes. Look, the value of March 1st, 2, 3 comes here. Look like this, using index match. We can easily bring the data we want into our tables.